Chiwa chile chingia kirage, chirangi chiga, niko chile chibirengo punabono, mbabwata chirangi chogwakwa imeye nyumba, isiko ye nyumba, chile chikomentra niguwa amavuta yani oil, na buigo, chile chia mache, inyoranga, chirangi chiga, niko chile kuruwase chile chili guririke, ililia gatigati, wekali guri ilia bantabati, buigo, imeya Uhuru Superstores, nero eduka yuka, iyo wate emixa, iyo wochoganya chirangi, wikabunuraganye, wochoganiri erangiriga aseduke yiga ya Uhuru Superstores, na wokwege namuna, ekale aho watagete nigo kwa yanyora wikirano, tutarire rero, eliwe nyorere abamanyi, na boigo, elekenga enyumba yao, use asomanyete, use chile biasara, nchibwa tokorelekana okuya, na ayonsi, nigo araikirane, ekero utumikite chirangi cha Crown Paints, eduke yiga ya Uhuru Superstores, yego toka se enyumba ya Uhuru Complex imeyumucho yigo musongo, eyuerangene duka ya Safaricom. Mwigo, ngotuka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers, eyuere angene bengi ya Credit Bank. Asamange, bakere simbwetera seti namba chabo 0111161500. Uhuru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani.
Werere bya omwanchwa omoligeraliere tukaligali atumaine etalike yamo omotinyokane omwaka abwechiri bubere na 2025 etalike yamo nase abange bagotumeka obokora mono bangaina abande bangainana kolinde indumuna ekionga kurase TV ya gatembe nigotwero birkigima ogoretera onsi asenchira yobwene nekene imeye kionga chinsaibere ema goroba ya lero nchedigongoro ku haroni ototo nyengiri kuranse memenyerio nigoto kubwaterana nere Wilson Makoli gati yalia twakoriganirio mwanchu mulige kuruchinsemo ao negati ngwa ebikaro bye bunge ya mashinani ibigenderete kwanekwa ime ye bunge gose ime ya county ya Nyamira naboigo igento boigo kente kortalibira nebirengerali ao korwa ase chinsemo chiri chie senate chinga kya basenta banyakaba kwanira engane yuori tukolia lero kolende haya negati yana kwariganirio mwanchu mulige se kionga chinsaibere ebikaro bya bunge mashinani kogendera ime ye county ya Nyamira
ngantu abande we've never engaged omo senator kusekende nere toko musabanere atwara maskani ko cyase ebyongozi binde
amaboli amange igoro botutukanu obugantekane ko ime bunge ya Nyamira ko ikiwa bosio bwa senate.
In great disbelief, the governor admitting on record that there are actually two county assemblies in Nyamira.
Omwasiri omuyabo bochen Aden Bale Duale Korea eira gochiagwa kana chibet chesha kira omotienyo.
SHA will settle hospital claims by the 14th of each month.
Mwanjo murigererie kionga chinsa ibere nigo tuguchakurwa ase county ya Nyamira ase tukumayigo muna ebikaro bya bunge gosensemerie manyekata muna bunga mashinani nigwanya kwa bigokoreka rituko ria rero ase banyarkoba bagwetia amarieta 5 y'abantu baria abachore bagujotenera igoro yokulikwa kwa bantu bekiombegeria Public Service Board imeye county ya Nyamira ngano nabo egatiaba MCN go bairale bagerio komwacha korage byara na komwachia egatia baraime ye county ya Nyamira abo batranti omo center county yuo omoske Eriki Okongo omogeni bazwanya kwa bagoteba buna nigo bagwesonania ase oborai imeye county yuo munagotumanyia omorikito Paul Cup Okara
nase bikale biga byakorekana ase ebunga yega imanyekanite buna bunga mashinani matuka makema ga yebunga lya senate ko tukuterale ebikale biga bya bunga mashinani bikale biga byarawamo no speaker Enoch Okero nigo binyarako babigwetia a selection panel eyo era kunyarako bage kulika omunyakirogo na boigo na bamemba bande abo balense yerombe ya Public Service Board
Tatebya bananchi ba Nyamira oyo qualified apply egasi eyo
bikale biga bekerana muna ba MC 15 na batatu igononye nabo byanyarako babikogikeria anene chiburaburu echo chagendera ko bachikwene kigwa egati yaba MCA asebaganirie amasikani kwene kigwa
Intubona bunke yabere imara ekiale tubwato muspiko yomo enda kuokero
nonye nabo chingage chinsa chinga chategere busio bwa bajumbe gochikunyara ko bagotwara ebikaro ebyo kurigia okoigwane meye county ya Nyamira aba MC abaigani go beso kirina kugendera kugikiria aya onsi asikire baterenga egati abajumba abano bagendera ko bagwokyo muliro oyo ogendera ko bagokoreto gweta na konene egati aba MCA
Ntiratiro mujumbe arahatebe nga intagete inde to morembe Nyamira nandi gakobana yero kuburugo morembe
nonye nabo herombe yeganigo yaganira abo MCA bande abo batari bwatanya muna bunga mashinani go korabo asibate benga bwangoga e budget net kunyara ko bagegwetiwa nga onyambara tomako ganya kwabo alibaganete bakolerwa ase chiwadi chabo na baratkunyara ko bagotiwa isiko
n'abajumbe balibake nane batigaritisu kubataracha ase bunge mashinani kimora nche incho
nkaite no mbono kara tuwaete TSFSP ntuwatomete na onde moe MCA ore elected tati guti isiko ali ke chi report chiae atome elinde bintu bya ibe kwa se budget mbatometi ne sherige goteba buna our standing orders only atadi banjeire weti na atadi na bagwetie gendo na ndise kwa mu speaker reply ndio nyonde ta kore isiani question bado e budget ina begweta
nigo boigo erombe yega yaba MC abiga bagende ko bakugikirio mu seneta bwe county Nyamira muske Okongo mogeni asibamuganire gutwara masikani na gokora emirimo yaye bwikirano.
There is no single day anyago cha assembly nekero kya engeroro but wanzere siasa eriyo kunya gotema sa matangare okwane roro because ngantu abande we've never engaged do seneta kusekende nere toko musabanere atwara masikani go chiase ebyongozi binde
momweli oye egati abo bali barabasubati nigo baganirie osikwa kurwase gati abaraya ubako bacecheria
umuchumbo rito amaitenga nele lawyer lakini ukora mabangina it's painful kora mumongina ekera yigoreta senyomba yo mongina ayoro obwato mukao oyo geretoro oyo kwiboreta abana nero geretore bunore igo kwaimoka watebanga these are nominated are anchored in the constitution igota itoske abaske bari bachorire gocha
ginko ripoti rigatasini kya obwanjete kya gatembe kuriga imeye county Nyamira inchego nkuru kwa Polycarp Okara
Mwanjo murigereri nonye na boigo nigo senate rikolia rero gwetera ase okoboria kwaye omo senate bwe county Nyamira omuske Eriki Okongo omogeni yeralibaga na gukwanira ngana igoro yokoba oro bwe chibunge ibere ime county ya Nyamira okoborro which speaker ibere ime county ya Nyamira okoborro ko baliki babere ime ye county ya Nyamira no yono okoborro which mesi ibere ime ya Nyamira abaseneta abo kobwatikana amono kuboli kwaye omo seneta bwe county ya Nyamira omusikeli kwa omogeni nigwanya kwa bakomochia alionsi agenderete ime ye bunge ye county ya Nyamira ase abange babarorekana komomochia omugavana bwe county yo omoske amoski momyaribo nabo igokugania ebitambukero au kwimukigwa eliko enekia buna obututukano no mboliko gendere kwaniki ime county ya Nyamira nabo igochi county chinde emerongo ene na isano nemo ime yense ya Kenya.
Madam Speaker, the County Assembly of Nyamira is split into two rival groups, each conducting parallel sittings in different venues, one at the main County Assembly building and one in other several towns within the county, led by separate individuals, each claiming to be a legitimate speaker and clerk of the County Assembly. Madam Speaker, this state of affairs has caused confusion, has undermined the legislative integrity of the County Assembly, and will potentially jeopardize public confidence in the institution, in devolution, and in the oversight role of the Senate. Madam Speaker, in the statement, I would wish the committee to inquire and address the following. Number one, to inquire into the officially designated and gazetted location of the County Assembly of Nyamira and whether sittings that have been held outside that location were duly approved by the County Assembly and table evidence to that effect. Two, inquire into the status and legal standing of any business transacted by the two rival functions, including the adoption and passage of the supplementary budget and other legislative decisions that have been made during this standoff. Three, the committee to inquire the process through which the two speakers and clerks were appointed and whether due process and relevant standing orders were followed before their installation. Four, the committee to inquire the steps taken by the relevant constitutional and intergovernmental bodies to resolve the leadership dispute with a view of restoring order in the County Assembly.
That if there has been any serious threat to devolution, that threat is in Nyamira County. Madam Speaker, I listened in great disbelief the governor admitting on record that there are actually two county assemblies in Nyamira. There are two speakers. There are two clerks. Madam Speaker, to make it even worse, there are two quote-unquote official seals.
Madam Speaker, and I'm disappointed that the devolution committee should have taken this matter. You cannot have two speakers, two messes, two seals, two clerks, Madam Speaker. But I want to think, because I've been following Nyamira politics, is that the governor is a very sharp politician.
Na mwancho mwaligire togotigana na jukuru ase county Nyamira na bogo Nairobi tokwirana guika ase bunge ya gitoto cha Chenode nigo abawatani abechisemi bakora wana Chastas Kemei oyuore omudirector wechisemi ase sub county ya Marani bara muyiga bokwana na ebyegwa ase abarku abo bakareti amatemo abo bya omwaka oeta gosasa amatemo manyo mwaka oeta imeye skuru ya secondary ya baiseke ya St Monica Marani yogo toka ime county ya Kisii ase chinsemechio chia kitutu cha Chenode kuba mono ase ewodi ya Marani munagotumanyia omulikito Daniel Ontiri
nase skuru ya secondary ya baiseke ya St Monica yogo toka ase wodi ya Marani ase bunge ya kitutu cha Chenode ime county ya Kisii iyo yara lituko lya masomo weyo kwena ebyegwa asaborkiwa bali abakorete buya asa matemo abo y'ikirasi y'ikumi kabiri KCSE ayo mwaka eta mwego yega ne gwikiranwa na bwatani aho egati abo MCA we ward ya Marani Muskadeni Sombachi mubisa bw'ikisemi ase sub county ya Marani Justus Kimei executive secretary ase kiombe kya balimu ya Kupeto Muske Joseph Abinja Muske Ronald Siro yuligetikirgo kyobo MCA ase ward ya Sensi gati yobu watani banda bange namana b'ikisemi awaso wamo baikaso gosigeta aborokiwa baiga boiga sokokoro mukia
rero litugolia rero twale ko bakera buya naso ko bakera buya nako baebigeni ko bawo kwenda amasoma mutwe ose university igere njerende yoko aba bande omoyo bali bawo gukora amatemu twakerenya sembi amono asoko togenderia oku kwa igo twale gosaba Nyasaye amona ababwatani bande batubwatisi egera tosuke kujinaende bosio ake
ukwana chinga kecho Muske Ombachi nigagendera ko gokirige tambukiro ge skuru iga gokoria buya asa matemu ayo yo mwako eta omentabona ayigonsingo etra aso kubwaterana na bubwatani au egati abo habaraye bense meiga aborokiwa na baibuli bunencheremo yoko ene kyamachibwa maya.
I got a chance to talk to the MP nikamwambia kwamba the CS wa education anatoka hapa kwetu. Julius Migosi Ogamba tulikuwa na yeye juzi hapo Nyabururu na tumemuomba kwamba tunataka atusaidie.
Asinse mwende nigagikere bikore byokonigwa kwa maru mbarabare ni chiskuru ase wodi ya Marani na igo abanyene mbobonete ko bwatuka bonchiriri obwo limorioka
igo abaiboli ntotagete toikaranse toigwanane lakini abagambi baito egende kanene na iwete kerekebe na ende tubwena tokigikeri ntwakwana abagambi baito abantu bachakire kwenga marwa angeni jiskuru cheito abande mbale bakoyania marwa around our schools babwate mobile motorbikes badaite konelia abana baito abana abatiamba tebiga pombe itakuwa tu nyinyi maliza shule. Hata wakati tulikuwa shule pombe ilifanya nini? Ilikuwa ebintu mbire bitali gokoraki bitali koera. So for now the occasion you have, the choice you have is to study.
Asense moyae kemi nigasigeta aborokiwa ase sub county ya Marani na muno habe skuru iga endera gotoka ase birasi chinga kichonsi bunencheremo yoko ene kyamachibwa maya nichinga kicho aborokiwa bagendera koye gwesegeto gokoromokia bunencheremo yokweroberia asa matukare bosio.
If the student is not in school, where is that student? If the student is at home with the parents, then the parents are not helping us, and you're also failing in your duty as a parent. If a child comes home, it is your duty to return that child to school and pay for them, support the school.
Allow me also congratulate our teachers. I know you worked more than expected. You took your time. You are dealing with these learners. Whatever that you impacted, this is the harvest we've got. We keep on congratulating you and thank you so much for the wonderful work you are doing, because without you, will not post such a result.
Right now, you might not even know it, but it will do what? It will happen. What do you need to do? You work hard. You work hard. Don't worry, musiseme kwamba hakuna kazi wapi? Kenya. Kwa vile ujui mahali utaenda kufanya kazi. Mimi sifanyi kazi Kenya. Kwa hivyo, unaweza kubarikiwa ufanye kazi wapi? Ng'ambo. Ikiwa umesoma vizuri.
Kuruboterege teseni kia gatembe kurega se bunge ya Kitutu cha North ase county ya Kisii. Literane nguruko Daniel Untiri.
Na omwancho murigarari omujumbe bwe bunge ya West Mugrango muske wa Kigli Steve Mugaka iganya kaba gakoene kiabuna nigarachi kubwatuka chishiringi chi milioni 45 na isano ochia ase aborkwa be skuru ime ye county yu mi egwode ya ime ye bunge yo ya West Mugirango esanya kabaga koteba bunani go chief form echu go seni go chira chikuru egwa ase njere obwane no bwasioku no na bo ni gateba na chief form ange endibwe yemo ne merongo ne go se eribwe yemo ne chimisano ni go chanya te ko ba chigo toka ase nsemechio ayo onsi ni gakoreka ase eskuru iyebo mure ya Kibirigo boys ase umwarimu manene Kirimenti Nyangacha anyarakabaga kwasyolia nere birengere biaye igoro go chikwane kemne skuru ingo koliere buya ase amatemwa manene iyo mwakoyo munago tumenye muliketo Fatgad Gisemba
Eskuru y'abamuraya Kibirigo abo ase amatemwa y'umwaka oheta barigetie emin ya isana isato nechinukuta isana isato isana nemo ase krasi ekeiga barigetie aborokiwa chimya inye na merongo ebere na batatu ase ekrasi ekeiga nigo aborokiwa baneboka nabo batanyorete ribagaryogosoa ase university nigo batwarire umuyiga boko bwatoka ebyewa wechasa aborokiwa abo bakoretie buya korengana no mwarimu manene w'eskuru eyiga ya Kibirigo Clement Nyangacha nigo airire chingakecho na gukwanira enjira aberega kubeka emiruberio eyo yaberege koreta amachibu amaya abwase umwaka oyo atebire igo babwate kirenga yokurikia emin ya kianda chinukuta isato isano
377 candidates and the class is christened the Eager Beavers with the slogan Operation Perfect A OPA. The Bible verse is from the book of Isaiah 40:31. This is the class we shall come to celebrate in the year 2026, God willing. Glory to God. There is power in confession, conviction, and action.
Ese moyende boigonigo omobunge o West Mugirango Mosque Stephen Mogaka asioririe chibesa chechipasari chisaine chimilioni emerongo ene na inye chinukuta kianda ejo chigucha kubakonya abana abo bagosoma ase secondary naboigo college ao.
They have been distributed like this: 24,900,000 zinaenda kwa high school zetu including KB. Kwa wale wanafunzi wangu wanaenda colleges tertiary watagonga shilingi milioni 20. Applications 8,000 ni za secondary school, alafu ile ya tertiary ya university na colleges tulikuwa na applications 4,000 ambao zilifaulu.
Ase omoyiga oyoiga nigo omobunge obonjari omuske Dr. Charles Onjoke akwaneire obuya bwa CDF anene asogosira kisemi.
CDF has enabled us to educate you. CDF has enabled us to put out infrastructure that you're seeing here. So we can't afford to do without it. CDF. How will the world be, how will Kenya be without CDF? Please join us, all of us, join your members of parliament to push forward the case that we need CDF. If anything, it should be enhanced, it should be increased. We need more of CDF so that we can provide the required infrastructure, so that we can increase the bursary amount to our students, because the poverty levels in the home states is just worrying.
Chingaki echecho abarimu abanene basabirwe bona bakonyora chicheki echiga nerebuya barikira aborokiwa amarisiti.
Nataka kuwasihi walimu wangu, mukipokea hizi checks za watoto wangu, please issue receipts for every individual child. Mulete kwa ofisi yangu nipeleke hiyo receipt kwa boma ya hao watoto during this holiday. Nitakuja nikuletee hiyo receipt so that you confirm that your money has gone to school.
Hingo ripoti Getembe korwase skuru eyiga ya Kibirigo eyegotoka imeye bunge ya West Mugirango County ya Nyamira nje Fatgad Gisemba.
Manjo murigereri na mange na koregana jase keunga chinsa ibire kolende gwikira butoka nda sinsema ya kabiri studio nyaka butoka nyora obo semi bwaga tembe kurwa somugaka ocho inyambasura tokwirana ningendera kumanya
basina kimogo teba basimbia mure oitangaro karombi nyombangale kumumura mutamba akaboro kumboro sidata baitangale mondigereti oitangaro karombi nyombangale tali nyombanene nyombangale oitamaro karo oitangale kubasi oitangale nyombe chito chirisa to basi masige oketauli na roma nene watu no oitangale abantu bae watu kulene na masige bono oitangale na ro watu tato oitangaro karombi nyombangale kamumura mutamba akaboro kumboro sidata ndane ukichonjo ikoro kubasi na baba manyetego babasi na bwinyo babasi kabisa ponia mulingo babasi bamitona bagwe togigo uitangaro karumbi yombangale kama muramo tamba kaburo kumborozi amu uitagara wateba Baraka ninjo ninjo rembe ninjo dorome ninjo manana man ninjo bagina ninjo
Superstores Nero eduka asorgo ngurigarua South Nyanza ya nchiri amone kampani ya mabati Rolling Mills iluku ya buatuka uchiase abaonia aiga ntobwate showroom asura achagwirigiria mabati anda umsialia utagete showroom yeito nigo ere engale iyuerengia na woigo ekogokie liso yao chingaki ogoswasa yiga kurigiriria amabati aiga ntobwate team tempo abo bago kolemirimo ase showroom yiga babwate chingoro chingia chugo kwarigania na woigo cho tebereria kende gensi uragania bago tebereria company ya mabati Rolling Mills iko babwate amabati chingencho au ayuare ye chikala au na wigo ayuiga bwate chi profile net gauges au unabono mbabwate normal corrugated na wigo box corrugated aswigo babwate boomerang ayuare aye chigage emerongetato asama bati ali aye chigage emerongibire na isaro na isato mbabwate tile profiles alia au oriental elegantal versatile gross na wigo na versatile mat MRM niko babwate lifestyle ayuago chana Roman Jinko na wigo web design babwate yigani kabwate chikala bunabone lia Chaco Grey Brick Red Tile Red Maroon Sky Blue na wigo na Green obutambe bwe mabwate yiga niko bokolengana amo nukwenya gwe customer mbabwate bintu bindi boigo ebyo ochikunyara kabo gutumika chingagicho gwakeranya mabati yiga ase nyumba yao tutari lero ase Uhuru MRM showroom onyare kabo gukwerera amabati yu akomenya segeka ayo uchanye warrant na wigo ayo urakoberwa ikasure asubwango edukenyiga ya Uhuru Superstores yegotoka se nyumba ya Uhuru Complex imiyo muchuyigo busongo iyo erangene duka ya Safaricom wigo ngotuka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers iyo ere angene bengi ya Credit Bank asamange bakere simgwetera ase namba chabo 0111161500 Uhuru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani.
Your life.
Mwanjo muligere karibu nanda sensema iga ya kabiri kiunga chinsa ibere nigo tokoge tokuikara yase kose kurwase ebunge nene ase omojumbe w'ebunge ya Kitutu Masabo Omosike Clive Mbane Gisairo anyare koba agakoboria ekiganja gose oboteneri bw'ekiganja gose wizara y'echibesa inse oburayi bwa John Mbadi kwaneke buna yanyakoba gekobwatoka chibesa gochia se ekiganja kia NCCDF korengana nere Omosike Gisairo nigo chibesa ekyo chitaranyako chigoikerana ase ebiganja ebyo ng'anonye Omosike Mbadi oliete irabuna niga gochikobwatoka chibesa ekyo kera omotienyo.
The reality is we are now in the last quarter of this financial year. While in Naivasha, I remember very well, the CS had promised that he was going to send 7 billion twice in the month of February and then 7 billion on a monthly basis up to the end of the financial year. Honorable Speaker, as we speak up to today, the board has only received 7 billion last year, and the second disbursement of 7 billion in the month of February, where he had promised to send double the amount. Honorable Speaker, the members here who representing their CDFCs are not even able to give bursary, yet we are done with term 1. University students, Honorable Speaker, are supposed to collect their exam cards subject to them paying fees, and some of these students rely on bursary from CDF. We are being taken in circles, Honorable Speaker. The financial is coming to an end. I have seen some constituencies, CDFCs, even purporting to take photos that they are launching bursaries just to save themselves from the angry students. But in reality, there is no money going to the universities. There is no money going to the schools. Honorable Speaker, this statement by the CS was made in your presence while you chaired that meeting, and we are not going to allow this house to be taken in wild goose chase in the presence of our chair in that meeting and with our speaker. Honorable Speaker, can you guide this house? What is the way forward in the matter of disbursing the CDF amounts that are balanced?
Mwanju muligereri ebirengereri awanigo bigendererete kobwatokwa anene mono igoro yeganga iyo mono chebina omonene omukoro David Kenani Maraga yokugania koba okuboli kero kyoburayi bwense nabo igo eyuye gotebekana buna omowasiri omukoro Fred Okengo Matiangi nerera bwateganga yokuriye kero ekyo ase abamenyi bejinze mochia kero kabanyako bakobwatoka ebirengereri byaboli tukolia lero ase banyara koba bakorwa ebirengereri ebyo kobwatekana amo nechiganga Chiabara babere kurwa sarongo rwagusi unagotumanya muri keto Gabriel Nyakunde.
Nigo ebirengereri abigenderete kuregwa igoro yengwana yoyo kabere omona chebina omonene bwense ya Kenya Omosike David Kenani Maraga igoro yokogania koligia ekergo kyoburayi bwense ya Kenya. Ase abange anene mono kurwa sensemeyega yenyari bari masaba nigo barokire gotagukirwa kwabo ase bamuganiriye David Maraga gochikumubwate sia Fred Matiangi ase ekeminano ekyo
nigo tugwanjite mono gwa kortigasi agengi nigo tugo sabuske magega eka tuatakire biranga bizo tuteto mwako kuri Fred Matiangi okego ande neri bage chance twanyore n'abaguzi basokyo umuntu ndo abamnenga kiyanya mwana sagi ni bajite kurwanira omweri tugasoki tutanyaka nyoto ko bakabona igo tugo sawo mwaka Maraga ngaki yawo akorte kasi twagusigete nandu akwa biranga byeto bakubikore igo tugo sawo tutigire ibageri twanjire Fred Matiangi tutakitese ngaki
abeire moroche ntukwaneti ntubwate birengereri byokuryo obugambyo bonene bwense Omosike Matiangi Okengo Matiangi uyo kuriye kero kyobo president asensi yitu ya Kenya uyo no mwana itogusi ya oro kiribuna ande chensi ebisaku byonsi asebyeika bya Kenya ya muitabire chi county chita 47 cha muitabire county teyora agende onyoro yo minto Omosike Matiangi atari gokwana
Samareta nengo video nikigara urubaji makoro boda state moto mwamu kentanale koira nganje kaita katai Maraga atigere Matiangi gasi woni gasegire bicara no toche nango cyane gatoba gatoba cyo mwako yoito kore wana indi tora ngatwaso kiro mu busi
president candidate yetu abagusi Joyce Mang'ana Maraga yakora musana no kobe no kubamo twakere matia ikikora so bamo
n'abantu abang'aini n'abakenya bang'ainire etukumugareria maya na nyasamu kunenkoro airane magega abwate sio yominto o Matiang'i egere ense yeitesuke mutu Matiang'i nero ratokonye na abwate omugano omuya engaki akora egasi ya serikali akora agacha gukora interior na akora egasi erengia tware kumubwate sina bare goko
asibe igobaganire abananchi anene mono kurwasa rugongora gusi kwene kyangu bwata bale bibande eliogo chikonyora amba bwate chikura chinyinge eliogo chiagochora umurai baganetie
nyore bibanda chensi imoko ba chensi busa omunu busa itangani go ikamogende mubwate bibande mubwate chikurekerenga kiegoika obonga so bonge na intu buna abagusia sitoika tubwate chikure kiagera omwana oyororokanire buna netaya ase gusiengi bana Kenya tetoke bisa kubinde igo biko mubwate si intugusiga igo toendete kungusa guchimagera iyite koreta piki changia asumugusi
Kingo reporter geta sendi wanchite kana gikomike getembe kurwa sebunge nyari bari masabe county ya Kisii nchenkoro kwa Nyakonde Gabriel
Mwanjwa omo ligerali omo wasiri omo ya wabachani omo sika Aden Bale Duare nigai swa abisi ritukolia lero asanya kwa kwa abisi yo senjera ya bene amo no mwasiri omo koro Debra Parasa oze daktari Debra Parasa korengana nangwana yaye mwasiri Aden Bale Duare niganya kwa ende kibna nigara chikobeka omo kia korongei obakoreri ase wisara yo bachenu na kubomana kwa ende kia habuna nigo chibeza chia bakoreri bwasha go Social Health Authority chiranyaga bajiko bwato kwakera chitariki 14 chiakera omutienyo egento karajiko entaine kiabuna kerajiko ene kiabuna obokoreri asinyagitari ngo mbochiko gendera azichinjira chindonge.
And ask yourself a very good question. Why is the mortality rate, women who are dying when giving birth, why is the mortality rate very high in this country? Our neighboring countries are doing better. Because some of the drugs given to those mothers to stop bleeding are not the right drugs. Ask yourself. So there was a lot of fraud in the system. So this digital health system, integrated system, is going to deal with all that. And that's why there is a lot of opposition to the reforms that is taking place in the health sector in our country. And I want to assure the people of Kenya, from the president, universal health care will work. It will work, inshallah, and it will work for the people of Kenya. And it will not work for the elite. It will work for the ordinary citizens. Those of us who are standing on this side, we have a very robust insurance scheme. The elite, for many years, have enjoyed good, robust insurance scheme. Universal health care will give a better health care, access, affordable, quality to the many and millions of Kenyans who cannot afford it. SHA will settle hospital claims by the 14th of each month. NHIF used to do 6 months and more. So by the 14th of every month, SHA will settle all the hospital claims by the 14th of each month.
Mwanjo muligerali kokorera kurwase ensemelia yobonchirali nigo omori kito Innocent Makori agotumanya buna babwatani bekyombe kya barundi ba boda boda kurwase ward ya East Kamagaki gegotoka ime ye county ya Homa Bay nigo banyalire obokonyi bechiringi emilioni emu kurwase serikali ya county eyo egento bajirireira buna manigo barachi gochitumeka buya eliko nyaraka baba kwegendereria buna roboti urugo cha sembe
Kiumbe kia barundi bodaboda kurewadia East Kamagaki me county ya Homa Bay wachira amo na kubwatirana eligo chake chinjira chokorosia chibesa igoro ya chiria bakonyora silituko na boigo gwetegemea gwetire kiumbe gia East Kamagaki Combined Bodaboda Limited Sacco. Kiumbe kio kia babwatane chimia iseto emerongebere noyomo nigo gia chakire kobekeza se chinsemo au elio komenda chinsemo chokonyore ngiri yabo ya kera lituko nigo wawekezire aso mugondo bwechi sunflower oyoro bwechi eka isatu abwasiri samura alichintetere cha sunflower chikorosi wa mafuta yechinyeni elio vayaoni na bwegomba bwateduke koni achi spare part chechi pigipigi.
For you to get 300 is not something very bad. You just wake up and you can walk easily and get that 300. But 450 plus budget in the house is too much. The deposit is also 59 and this one is 30. Also, we give them a time because we know that sometimes somebody is sick and whatever. I'm the chairman. If a valid reason, then I will just see what to do.
Gutigana na yo ogo kea kuboyo bogo simeka aige mensi abo magenigo kwabeto guwa koko na sabale mimensi ya Kenya guita okoboyego kwalenge gochia koirana okoirana inse kuligi sali ndagira kulindia sebono inse murobule bwe serikali nene abali mingo chabole konyoro boyo buli gulirense egitambo kerekyo nigo kiabero mweso mone na sabale miyo bange asoko banjira koiranerera halisi mekali yabo waziri bobole mudahika gwene kirebune serikali ya chakire ko bwato ko bwoyo chibuni chiribu eme mane meronge tani tatokera lituko guchia sabale mibichi county chimanyikane taseliga saline neliendagira mono engake kegitambe kimbura gukorera company yaborerania bwa mangana ya Safaricom ya chakire mereme nchirenye yekerero yibwege manyikane tabuna Emerald platform yerengete comment birengo byobokorera bwae buna kuba ikange chi customer kuba biegwa au na bwo comment bokorera we company yo ulinge gokuona engakiyo chake mirimo bene nchire iyo yekerero mo CEO Safaricom Peter Ndego singirire buna company yo nigegendereta kobe kumukire korobokorera buya saba goli bwae na kubanyorenga ki ekwemukiye bitambukiro binge nchomono ebibalengetea.
Emerald is a new way of engaging you as our most important customers. So there are three pillars that we want to focus on. One is technology that anticipates.
Kionga Innocent Makuri.
Mwanjo murigererigo ikirabo no tugukorera ekionga chinse ibire obotuko bwa rero gosiko kwenyoria tu omorai bwense omoske William Ruto gachaka etaro ya yabene ime yechinsemo chia Mount Kenya esara chikonyara kaba agakobuta chinseme chia seike yamo ase etaro yeke magenderero nje nigongoro kwa Haroni Ototo Nyangiri kurenseme imenyeriro nigakorukwa Wilson Makoli na boigo kurenseme ya transmission nigakorukwa Kevin Ongeri ende gotwara burigerio buya ime ya Gatembe TV ekionga kia mamugusi.
eduka yobomo ya Uhuru Superstores Limited nero eduka cholide ili kubwatuka chirangi cha Crown Paints eyuere company nambe yemo eyokorose chirangi mense liga ya Kenya. Crown Paints nigo emanyira soko raisia ebintu biria bikomanya seka ngo kwanira chirangi echo boigo chire chechi brand echo chire chingia kirage chirangi chiga nigo chire chibirengo punabono mbabwata chirangi cyo gwakwa imeye nyumba isiko ye nyumba chire chikomentera nigwa amavuta yani oil na buigo chiriye chia mache inyoranga chirangi chiga nigo chire korwase chire cheri guririke iriya gatigati wekari guri iriya bantabati buigo imeya Uhuru Superstores nero eduka yuka iyo bwate emixer iyo wochoganya chirangi wikabunuragani wochoganire erangiriga aseduke yiga ya Uhuru Superstores na wokwege namina ekale aho watagete nigo kwayanyora bwikirano tutarire rero eriwe nyorere abamanyi aboigo elekenga enyumba yao use asomanyete use chire chibiasara nchibwa tokorekana okuya na ayonsi nigo araikirane ekero utumikite chirangi cha Crown Paints eduke yiga ya Uhuru Superstores yego tokase enyumba ya Uhuru Complex imeyumucho yigo musongo eyuerange neduka ya Safaricom mwigo ngotuka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers eyuere angene bengi ya Credit Bank asamange bakere simbwetera seti namba chabo 0111161500 Uhuru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani.
Shah Ceramics igubago kwa a special offer bunno iga asachi tile au no kugora chikaton emerongetato nigo kwegwa growth kilo isato bosa kukura chikaton merongetano nigo kwegwa kilo isano na isato bosa kukura chikaton emerongo etano na itato nigo kwegwa kilo emerongo ebere bosa otarigwa kanera kende size and